everyone. I hope everybody's having a great day, afternoon, morning, noon, night, whichever's going on at the time you're watching this. I hope you're having an awesome one. Today, I really don't have much to eat. I have this Watergate salad that I made. It's actually pretty good. Oh shoot, fell off my fork. Anyways, so yeah, I tried making a couple of videos the last few days, and it's like something always has to go wrong with it. Just like this video, my dogs keep on barking, which I know y'all seen that in my other videos. But anyways, just wanted to have a little chat, let y'all know I'm still here. I'm still making videos. It's just, it's the weekend. I've been off since Wednesday. And I've just been relaxing. I haven't really been doing anything. I go back to work Monday, which I can't wait because I'm bored being here at home. You clean up. It sucks whenever your husband takes your car and you don't have a vehicle to go do what you need to do, go buy groceries and go buy whatever else. You have to wait till he gets off of work, and that's not until 8 o'clock tonight. And by that time, it's like, why do I want to go so late to work, to the store? Anyways, so yeah, I had a story time yesterday in my video, because what I did is I was going to make a video with leftover Thanksgiving food, and that didn't go good. This Watergate salad, for it being all like one color, next time I'm going to use colored marshmallows, just so I can give it a little color, a little pop to it. If y'all want to know the recipe that I used, I tweaked it a little than what normally some people do. I just put a little extra of this or a little more of this, or, you know, but I mean, it came out awesome. So anyways, I just wanted to talk to y'all about bullying that I saw a friend of mine. Well, see, whenever I was younger, I was always bullied. I was bullied to, well, so far, you know, to the extent where I was crying every day. I would let a teacher know that I was being bullied. I let them know, I let my parents know, you know, I let everybody know that I was being bullied, and nothing ever came out of, you know, something being done about it. Every day in elementary and junior high, I was bullied. And they would make fun of what I was wearing. My mom always cut my hair in a little boy's haircut. Don't ask me why. It was just, I guess it was just easier just to cut it and let's go. We were average. We didn't have much money. I mean, but we were average, so we were in between. We had, we had what we needed. So anyways, I got bullied. I was called fat. I was called ugly. I wasn't the normal little skinny girl in school. I wasn't fat, but, you know, I had a little belly. And, And I had like a little, they say it's a beauty mark. I said it was mole because it started right here when I was little and it ended up here. And it started to grow. Well, the kids would call me names. They would call my little mole, my beauty mark, like they say. They would call it, they would say that I had a booger and they would call me names every day. Every day I had to go through these kids calling me names, and it hurts. It does hurt because how can you go through life calling people names and act like there ain't no repercussion, there ain't nothing, okay, I'm gonna get in trouble for this or no, they didn't care about that. They would lock people in the restrooms. They would turn off lights and scare the crap out of them. They would ask all the other little girls out on dates, go to, the school dances and stuff like that. And I was always the oddball out of the group. I was always the third wheel, if I can say. I would go hang out with my friends and they would be with their boyfriends, and I was always, or the fifth wheel, or however you say it, whatever the saying is, I was always the one left out. I never had the boyfriend throughout elementary, junior high. And elementary, yeah, I understand, you don't have a boyfriend then, but you know what? When I was in elementary and part of junior high, I really didn't care about boys. It was like, I was worried about making sure I could pass my classes, making sure that I can get to the next grade. I wasn't worried about having a boyfriend or anything. But when I got to junior high, they started having school dances. They had the little boys ask the girls out on dates, and I was always the one left out. And my friends are the ones who said, "Hey, well, just come hang out with us, and you can spend time with us. You don't have to worry about going with a boy or spending time with a boy or anything like that." I'm like, okay, that's fine. I was always the one that was hanging out with everybody. I was always the baby out of my friends. I was always the baby. They would always look out for me. And, and throughout the whole junior high, it's like they would take your stuff. The boys would. I wasn't the only one that got picked on. There were some other people. No. And they would take your stuff. They would go hide your books or go hide your backpack and think that it was funny. And the only reason why I'm talking about this right now is because a while back, I saw one of the little boys that used to pick on me. They had put a post up. And somebody was picking on, I don't remember if it was a daughter or a son. But they were picking on his kid. We'll just say his kid, because I don't remember if it was a boy or girl. And they were so mad about that. And they were like, I don't know what to do, I need to go to the school and see why they're picking on my kid, and why are they doing this to them. And I'm sitting here like, I'm reading that post, and I'm like, are you serious? You're gonna cry over somebody bullying your kid, but yet when you were younger, you didn't give a crap about bullying other people. It's like, you bullied, called them names, made them feel like crap, just bullied them to the max where they didn't even feel good about themselves anymore. Excuse me. And, yeah, I mean, how are you going to put a post saying that you don't know what to do? Hello, you were the one doing the bullying. You should know what to do. I mean, to me, seeing stuff like that, I feel like if you do something, it comes back to you 3 times as bad. I mean, that's the way I see it. It don't happen to you right then and there, but later on down the line, it'll come back to you. And I guess it did come back to them because now their kid is getting bullied. And they're like, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. And who do I go to? All putting it on Facebook, making themselves look good. But yet, I so wanted to comment on their post. But I was like, you know what? I'm not going to stoop to their level. I'm not going to stoop to their level. Because what I wanted to put is I was going to tell them, you know what? Remember what you did when you were younger? You would bully everybody in school. And now you don't know what to do? I was like, nah, you know what? Forget about that. I am not going to do that. I'm not going to stoop to their level. But I'm just making this video to let you know you have a voice. Don't keep quiet about it. Open up and let somebody know when somebody's bullying you. Because, you know, for me, it never went to the extent where I was going to commit suicide or, you know, I wanted to hurt myself or harm myself or cut myself. You know how some people, they cut themselves to make them feel better, or they eat themselves. Eat so much that, you know, to make them feel better. You know, I didn't get to that extent, but there is people out there that are going through stuff like that, and that they are ready to commit suicide. And I tell all those people, you don't have to go to that extent. You don't have to end your life just because somebody's bullying you. You have to open your mouth. You have to have a voice in this. Because if you just keep your mouth shut, all it does is just hurt you more and more. And it makes you more depressed than what you already are. And you don't need that in your life. I mean, there are people out there that can help you if you need help. I mean, if you need help, if you need somebody to talk to, or anything. I mean, there is people out there that can help and can tell you, okay, hey, well, if we need to go to the extent because this is how bad you are, you know, there are people that can help you get to the place where you need to get to. I mean, you're not alone in this. You are not alone. You have people out there that can help you out. What, Beagle? Sit down. Anyways, what I was saying is, it's kind of funny because a few years ago, one of the little boys that was picking on me, I used to work in a grocery store, and the little boy came in. Well, he wasn't a little boy no more. I mean, you know, we're already at the age of where, you know, we could do whatever we want. But he came into the store one time and he's like, hey, what are you doing? Do you want to meet up at the bar? You want to have some drinks? Blah, 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 you know, can catch up. And I'm sitting there and I'm thinking, okay, dude, I don't talk to you. We have nothing in common. I don't know you. You don't know me. We're two different people. We're on two different planets, you know, just saying. We have different friends, but you want to have a drink with me. No, I am not going to stoop to your level and have a drink with you. For what? Later on you can go make fun of me, or I say something stupid and you go tell the whole world? No. I'm sorry. I don't do that kind of stuff. And I don't talk to people that used to make fun of me. I mean, the people that used to make fun of me, um, for all I care, they can just go rot. Because I don't need that negativity in my life. I didn't need it whenever I was younger, and I don't need it now. Because, I mean, they can say left and right, up and down, that they're not going to make fun of me, or they're not going to say nothing, like, that's going to hurt me. But I wouldn't believe it. They can say whatever they want, and I wouldn't believe anything that they tell me. Because once you bully somebody, you can't go back from that. You can't go back and act like everything's okay. You can't act like, hey, let's go be best friends now. Nope. Sorry, dude. You can't have that. It don't work like that. But anyways, so yeah. I'm here at home. I'm bored to death. I cleaned up. As you can see, I have my Texans stuff right here. My husband has his Titans jersey right above me. Because he don't like them wrinkled. He doesn't like them by any other clothes. So he hangs them right here. So they won't be touching nothing else. Which, I think he's silly. And yeah, I'm in my room right now, watching, I don't even know, I think me and my puppies are going to be watching scary movies in a little bit. I have to wait for my husband to get home so I can make him food. Which, crazy. I sent him a message just a while ago, and I'm like, I just cleaned up, and I cleaned the cats, and yeah, I have cats too. I have a lot of cats. They're in the garage. I went out there and I cleaned up their litter box, and I told my husband, I was like, I cleaned up the cat's litter box. I fed them, I gave them water, they're good to go. I gave the dogs food. I cleaned up the living room. I cleaned up the kitchen. I cleaned up the hallway. I cleaned up everything. And I was like, now what do I do, babe? And he's like, you're supposed to be relaxing. You're not supposed to be doing anything. And I'm like, I have to clean the house. He's like, no. He goes, you need to relax. You don't do nothing. Just relax. Wait till right before I get home, make me food, clean up what you use, and go back and relax. And I'm like, okay, babe. Whatever you say. You want me to relax? I'll relax. You know, how many husbands or boyfriends out there would tell, excuse me, would tell you to just relax while you're at home, not working? I didn't find out when we're off for Christmas. How many days we're going to be out. I know my daughter probably has 2 weeks off of work. No pay. And I think I'll probably have like 3 or 4 days off. And then have to go back. And my husband probably have about 2 weeks off. About. Give or take. But he's fixing to go on nights again. And I hate when he's on nights. And I hate being home alone. Because when I'm home alone and he's working nights, I hate watching scary movies. But when he's working days, I'll watch scary movies day and night because I know he's here. It's just weird. Don't mind my hair. I just threw it up in a ponytail and see, pinned it back, and yeah. Just wanted to make a little video real quick and let y'all know I'm still here. I'm still alive. It's just yesterday when I made that video, I put my mic on and I forgot to turn it on. So that video doesn't have no sound. I was thinking about doing like a voiceover on it and just talk about what I was talking about in the video. Just the voice won't match me talking, but oh well. But anyway, excuse me. When I'm not recording, my dogs are fine. They are perfect angels. But as soon as I push that record button, oh my god, it's a different story. They turn into little hooligans. I don't know why. Watching TV while I'm recording. Well, it is an eating show. I don't do the smacking. Sorry. I know I do the burping. Pretty much, yeah. I like doing the burping. But I don't do the smacking. I watch some videos of people doing the eating shows, their mukbangs. There's, I'm not going to say no names. I'm not going to say who it is. Let me just say that, and I'll probably get, you know what? I'm not even going to say nothing. I'm just going to say, I don't do the smacking. I don't do the little moans like everybody. I mean, if it's really delicious, yeah, I might do it, but not the smacking. You can't do the smacking. To me, the smacking while eating your food is, to me, is disgusting. But that's my preference. I hate the smacking. I tell my husband that he smacks when he eats food. And he straight up denies it. He's like, no, I don't. Yeah, you do. You can't hear it, but I can. I always have to go to the other room. I don't know. I just get grossed out whenever somebody smacks their food. My husband's like, where you going? I'm going to go do something in the room. I don't tell him that's why. Because he lies. He denies that he doesn't smack. He smacks. Loud. He smacks loud. Now these kids want to be settled down and not act up. Really? There's pains in the butts. They're spoiled little dogs. All of them. And the cats. I don't like cats inside. That's why they're in the garage. But yeah. Sorry, after my little story, I just started talking about random things. But, sorry about that. But, something to talk about, right? My kids are just staring at me because they think they're going to get some. They're not. No. I have to go through my refrigerator and throw away a lot of leftovers. I hate leftovers after a couple of days. Don't push it. Poor baby. It's flea season right now. Got attacked by fleas. Had to take a bath in flea soap. Poor babies. I feel so bad whenever they have fleas. Have to go get them that little pill. For the 3-month pill. And they won't have fleas for 3 months. Guess I ate it all. Anyways, guys, I hope y'all liked my video. Gives me a thumbs up, share. Sorry, burp. Comment on this. I can put the description of how I made the Watergate salad in the description box below. Don't forget to hit the little bell so you know whenever I post, so you can get a notification whenever I post a video or anything. If you want me to eat something, certain something, or a challenge, just let me know. Just to let you know right now, offhand, I cannot eat that freaking much hot stuff. I will literally die. No, not that, but hot stuff and me don't work. So, yeah. But I know my husband said that he would do like a challenge with me if I wanted him to. And he was all up for it. He doesn't sit in my videos because he eats a little too fast for me. I take my time. And I take my time eating, and he like just swallows it. And yeah, and it would just be me sitting there and him gone because he would eat all the food. Anyways, alright, well, I hope you liked my video. I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you to the new subscribers that have subscribed to me, and to the ones that haven't. I hope y'all subscribe pretty soon. There will be different kinds of stuff going on my channel. Maybe some random things going on, but you just have to wait and see. Until then, y'all have a good night, morning, evening, whatever it is, the time you're watching this. Y'all have an awesome one, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.